In this video, we're going to show you how to wash a backpack properly, whether it's for school, hiking, or travel. A clean backpack not only looks better but also lasts longer by keeping dirt, stains, and odors at bay. Let's explore the best methods to keep your backpack in great shape without damaging the fabric or zippers. Begin by emptying all the contents of your backpack. Check every pocket and compartment, and shake the bag out to remove crumbs, dirt, or small debris. For backpacks with removable frames or detachable straps, take these off if possible, as they can be cleaned separately. Make sure to leave all zippers open for better access during washing. If there are any visible stains, treat them with a small amount of stain remover or a paste made from water and mild detergent. Apply the solution directly to the stained areas and gently scrub using a soft brush or cloth. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before proceeding with a full wash. The safest way to wash most backpacks is by hand. Fill a bathtub or large basin with lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge the backpack and gently scrub the fabric using a soft brush or sponge, paying special attention to areas with more grime, like the straps and bottom. Use a cloth to clean inside pockets and compartments. After scrubbing, drain the soapy water and refill the tub with clean water to rinse the backpack. Swish the backpack around in the clean water to remove any remaining soap. Repeat this process if necessary to ensure that all detergent is rinsed out, as leftover soap can leave a residue that attracts more dirt. Lay the backpack flat on a clean towel and press gently to remove excess water. Avoid wringing out the fabric, as this can damage the structure of the backpack. Hang the backpack upside down in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors or in front of a fan, to air dry. Make sure all zippers remain open to allow air to flow through, speeding up the drying process. For some backpacks, machine washing may be an option. Always check the care label first. If machine washing is safe, place the backpack inside a pillowcase or laundry bag to protect it during the wash. Use a gentle cycle with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. After washing, follow the same air drying method to prevent damage to the fabric and zippers. Once the backpack is completely dry, reattach any removable frames or straps. Check all compartments to ensure they are dry before storing the backpack or using it again. Regular maintenance, like wiping down the exterior and spot cleaning, can help extend the time between deep cleanings. With these steps, you can easily maintain your backpack without risking damage to the fabric or zippers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful cleaning tips and care guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.